bee. It's huge. It's huge.
Gotta find a baby. There he is.
Hi, Moses. Hi. Hi, boy.
So welcome to our last full day in Vietnam. We're at Mama Shushu's homestay with the baby that we collected yesterday.
I'm so tired.
He's sleepy. And yeah, today we're going to do a mini hike, smaller than yesterday, go to some waterfalls, and then we're moving on to a resort later for our final night in Vietnam. I'm leaving Mama Shushu's.
It's sad. We don't want to go. We love it here. Be good, Moses.
Bye. Thank you. Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
And we're off on hike number 2. For our last day with Mama Shushu and the group, we took a gentle hike, saw more gorgeous views, and finally got some photos with Mama Shushu herself. Run away! Run away!
There's a bee. It's huge. It's huge.
Hike.
Hike.
Hike. Hi!
Yeah. Lee.
We can head the waterfall. We've been walking for about 2.5 hours.
About that.
And now we can head the waterfall. Mama Shushu says it's just down here. You can also hear a doggo.
It's drowning. I'm going in.
Hi.
We were promised a refreshing dip in a local waterfall. However, to get there, we first had to clamber down some uneven paths.
Ooh. Which way have my stick?
We can see the waterfall. Just there.
On your approach to the waterfall, there are various stalls and shops. These include homemade paintings and bracelets.
No, thank you. I've got one, thank you. I've lost Jack in the crowd. Jack, come back! There he is. I can see him in the distance with his stick. Reaction.
That's beautiful.
Wow. For most of our time hiking in Sapa over the last couple of days, we seemed to be the only tourist group around, so we were surprised by how busy the waterfall was when we arrived, as it seemed to be a popular spot for both tourists and locals. what fun. This is what happens when Tony wants to buy a shirt.
Yeah, that lady said 170. That lady said 170. Who's going the lowest?
I hear 100.
How much did you say?
150.
After a spot of lunch and some auctioning at the dinner table, it was sadly time to say goodbye to Mama Shoo Shoo. We then headed back to the town where we spent our last night in a comfortable, luxurious hotel.
Made it to the city.
It looks beautiful. We've arrived back in Sapa. We've said our maybe goodbyes. We're walking to the hotel now. It's only 4 or 5 minutes from the square, so hopefully we'll get there in a minute and we'll show it off.
Heading to our hotel. Not sure how far it is. It looked like a really nice resort, but I don't know if this is looking promising or not. Oh, if it's this looks cute. Is it this one? Yay! Oh, looks nice actually. I'm happy with that.
Oh, these fish are gorgeous.
Oh, look.
Look at this.
Oh, wow.
What's that? Potato.
Potato.
Oh my god. Look out there. Chicken in.
Do you have the cone number 0 to 6?
Okay, brilliant.
Okay. Yes, breakfast coupon for tomorrow.
Breakfast coupons, yeah.
Yes.
Oh, fantastic.
Are we all gonna fit?
I think so.
Oh! Ooh, this is pretty left, isn't it? I think the last couple of days has tuckered him out. So we've been back at this new hotel for probably a couple of hours now. We're showered, we've chilled, we've had a cup of tea, we've got telly on in English, and we're just lounging till tea time now, but JP is sleeping. So we've had a nap.
No, you've had a nap.
I've had a nap. Jack's watched The Ring. Woke up, we're going to go out for food soon. And could hear the rain, so we thought, let's have a look at the rain. Ready for this? So I think we'll probably be eating at the hotel. Luckily for us, the hotel provided us with a gorgeous meal, catering to everyone's individual taste on the menu. Once we had finished our meal and drinks at the hotel bar and the rain started to slow down, we opted to go out and explore the town of Sapa once more. We've decided to come for a massage. So I googled the best place in Sapa, and this is top of TripAdvisor with loads of really good reviews. So the three boys have just been taken up, we've had our hot tea, and I've gone for a herbal massage, which is different, so. Roses! Come in! Come in! Yes! You're so cute! What are you again? Who's that? Who's that over there? You gonna get it? Go get him! Go get him!
Is that Alex?
Yeah! Good boy, you're so
That's
clever.
cute.
You're so clever already.
Papa.
Salos. Salos.
Where's that rock, paper, scissors?
שתיים, שלוש. שיט.
Good morning. Good morning, babies. And here he comes. Hi, Moses. Hi. Ooh, careful. You know what we hadn't said this time?
Winging it?
Yeah, hashtag winging it.
Yeah, but we're not winging it.
No, we're not.
Wanged it.
We've wung it less than we've wunged it before. Wang it?
Winged.
Winged.